Encapsulation. Encapsulation is the bundling of data, attributes, and methods, functions, that operate on the data into a single unit, known as a class. It helps in hiding the internal implementation details and exposing only what is necessary. Example. Please look at the example carefully. We have created a class named employee. It consists of a variable mname. We have also created getter and setter methods for variable. Now we have created a new class with the name employee details. In main function of this class we are creating object of class employee, and with the help of that object we are call set method. That is setMname method and passing bro as parameter. This method sets the mname value of class employee and returns in getMname method. Now look at the code. After setting the name, we are printing the name with the help of getMname method. Hence this is a short example for encapsulation. Check the example program by analyzing definition. See you again. Thank you.